Hello there. I'm trying to tokenize the code that to put in an email for the review badges. So let me show you what I did. I worked them all out on this spreadsheet, and none of them worked. Bottom line is none of them worked. The only one that did work was the one where I typed it in the whole thing. That'd be this one. Put that in there. And that's this one because I put the whole thing in there at once. But the other ones I put in over here. Let me make this bigger because I can't see it. Oops. Supposed to make the whole box bigger. Come on. Okay. Okay, this one, um, that's the one that does work, of course, because that's the whole thing. But this one, I put in website underscore URL with the brackets around it. Did not work. This one is website no underscore URL. That didn't work. This one's company website. This one's company website with the brackets with the underline. And that didn't work. Go back over here for a second. Okay, so all of them are coming up. Invalid URL provided. And it seems like it should work, but it doesn't. And I don't know what to do. Is there a code that I could use that would make this thing work? So I want to put it in Prospect Rocket. And in Prospect Rocket, the term is company website. In Lead Kahuna, it's website URL. So they don't match, but I'm doing the best I can. Okay, that's it. Don't know anything else to tell you. I'll pop this into the screen also.